Every industry was looking for ways to really connect people virtually. So how can you have the same experience that you would have in the store, but in the comfort of your home?
The consumer demand, it's forcing our financial institutions to change.
Bring together all the data sources as a single point of truth. That is the very first step for healthcare.
When it comes to the problem for asset-intensive manufacturing sectors, we need solutions that is grounded on science to solve these complex problems.
If you think of retail, travel and hospitality, manufacturing, all of these companies have tons of different systems with messy customer data.
The only way to solve complex problems is having the right partnership.
Microsoft is very pro-partnership. And it's designed to sell with partners, to go to market with partners.
Through the investments that companies have already made into the Microsoft ecosystem, they can leverage that as a new business opportunity.
To really empower salespeople to have more insights, have more real-time analytics, and also better follow-ups for their customers.
By partnering together, we have been able to deliver a solution that helps our customers do what they do best.
It's fun to be able to support those engineers that are making our lives better on a day-to-day basis.
When we combine our strengths with Microsoft, we can do great things.